Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying Python 3. X is available, then open your project folder in Vscode so files and the terminal share context. Next, run Python venv in the integrated terminal to make an isolated environment named venv. Once done, do not skip selecting the interpreter. Press Command/Control+Shift+P, choose Python, select Interpreter, and pick the venv interpreter. This ties the editor to the new environment and avoids global package conflicts. You activate the venv in the integrated terminal on Mac OS/Linux use source. venv/bin/activate on Windows use. venv \scripts\activate, ps1 or activate, bat depending on shell. Once active, install packages with pip and freeze them to requirements. txd so others reproduce the environment. Then, make Vscode remember the environment by setting the workspace Python interpreter in the status bar or adding the path to Vscode/. You finish by running your scripts and using the Vscode debugger. Confirm the run uses the venv interpreter shown in the status bar. Add venv to git ignore and commit requirements. txd so collaborators recreate the environment without including binary files. If something goes wrong, like Vscode says no interpreter, first reselect the interpreter, then reload the window or restart Vscode. This typically resolves path or environment discovery issues. If not, recreate the venv and repeat the select and activate steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.